Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video for LCHY433. This is a, what year is this, Mason?
2012.
2012, that was gonna be my guess. Hyundai Genesis R-Spec. It's got a big old V8 under the hood, 153,000 miles, running nice and smooth as you guys see here. This car took a unique hit. We actually think the car is kind of tacoed or bent. A lot of damage up here, but the roof is buckled in a really, I don't know if the camera's picking up, the roof is buckled here, and on the other side, I'm almost guessing somebody lawn darted this thing or ran over something and literally bent the subframe in the unibody. Because it's just got a lot of weird stuff going on with it as far as body gaps. But moving along, a lot of good parts left on this car. Excuse me, Andy. That's Andy doing what he does best. Wave to the camera. Working hard at getting some Cayenne wheels in inventory. A lot of great parts left on this Genesis though. All the body parts on this side made it. We got one ding in the door back here that I know we're going to discount the price on. Rocker moldings are good. We will have a set of 4 wheels. The tires are all mismatched, so we're not going to leave those with it. Check out the interior here. Very nice black leather. I believe we're going to have a full seat set on this, right? Yep. Nice illuminated door sills. I am kind of jealous of those. I don't like Hyundais, but I want illuminated door sills. Ooh, check out that convenient little thing there. Taillights are all in good shape. R-Spec. Now, I'm not a Hyundai guy, so let me know in the comments below what you actually got with an R-Spec package. I could just go to Wikipedia and look it up, but I'm lazy. Interior, Lexicon audio. Yeah, interior's in great shape. A lot of good parts on this still. Man, these door panels look an awful lot like an Acura TL. Wonder if the same designer worked on these cars. Get this closed here. 153,162 miles, running well, as you guys can see there. Take a look at this navigation setup here. Press enter to accept. Yep, that's working well. Let me see if I can get the radio on real fast. Oh, where's the volume? This is rather confusing. There we go. Radio works well. Climate control is on. As you guys can see, all these buttons are working. Test out the power window regulators. This side is good. That side is good. Let's get the sunroof open. We'll test that out. Sunroof motor is working well. The thing closed up. All right, let's shut this thing off before I kill everybody with carbon monoxide poisoning. Everything in this interior is in great shape. Show you this passenger seat here. I know we talked about it. Center console is in good condition. Oh, there's the key. I was wondering where that went. We're gonna have all this broken up and for sale, all this trim. And obviously there's the driver's seat. A little bit of cushion wear on it. If it was my car, I'd probably buy some replacement foam if I was putting these into a lower mileage unit, but still extremely usable. I think that's gonna wrap up the test video for LCHY433, our Hyundai Genesis R-Spec. You guys can find all the parts off this car on our website, www.jnjautoracking.com, or you guys can give us a call and talk to the sales folk over there at 1-800-425-1555. Be sure, wherever it is in the video, that you click the subscribe button so you guys can get notified of all the new cars we have in inventory. We're getting a lot of cool stuff in. You guys are not going to want to miss it. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Remember, rare does not equal valuable.